Products. Car care can look complicated. Let's strip it back to basics with how to clean your car in 4 simple steps. Here's what you'll need. First of all, the safety essentials, gloves and safety glasses. Now a bucket, wash mitt, car wash, a drying towel or chamois, tyre shine, wheel cleaner, wheel brush, interior wipes, a garden hose and a vacuum. Pinch the one you have in your house. Alright, park your car up where washing runoff won't enter any drains and you're good to jump into step 1. Clean your wheels. Ensure your wheels are cool to touch. Then spray each of them with the wheel cleaner. Allow 3 to 5 minutes while it works its magic. Then give each wheel a light scrub followed by a rinse. Wheel cleaner should not be allowed to dry on your wheels. With the wheels cleaned and rinsed, you're ready for step 2. Washing and drying your car. Add car wash to your bucket and fill it with water. Stick your hose into the bucket so that you don't wind up with nothing but fists full of foam. Always start with a rinse from top to bottom. Pay close attention to where any filth has gathered. Start washing from the roof and work your way down. Your technique should be straight lines rather than circles, as circles can cause swirl marks. Try not to let the suds dry on your car. Rinse each section as you go. Now dry your car, wringing the chamois or drying towel between panels. Whatever you do, don't drop the chamois. If you do, rinse it thoroughly because any dirt on that chamois will scratch your car. A drop drying towel cannot be rinsed. It'll need to go in the wash. Your final job out here is step 3, Tyre Shine. Tyre Shine doesn't just make tyres look super, it prolongs the life of your tyres by defending against oxidisation. Tyre Shine can be applied as a spray or wiped or brushed on as a gel. In either case, be careful to apply it only to the sidewall, avoiding the tread. Wipe away any excess and allow the tyre to absorb it while you move on to step 4. Cleaning your interior. Pick out any rubbish and items which shouldn't have a home in your car, but have wound up there anyway. The vacuum is a good next move. Put most of your attention on the footwells, seat cracks and around the cup holders and centre console area. Now break out the cleaning and protectant wipes. Read the packaging first so you can be sure where not to use them. Aside from those areas, give everything a wipe, even if it looks clean. As the name suggests, these wipes are formulated to promote long life for your interior plastics. Do the super dirty areas last to make the most of each wipe. Old coffee stains? Yeah, that might take a few goes. This clean was super simple, but if you want more shine, don't miss our deep clean detailing DIY. Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.